Jordan and a group of friends are hanging out at the park after school. The mood is light until someone brings out something else.
Yo, Jordan, check this out. That stuff is the real deal. Are you down to try?
No way! You actually brought that? Let's go!
Wait, is this drugs?
Come on, Jordan. Don't be the only one sitting out.
Yeah, live a little. What's the worst that could happen?
Jordan, you don't have to do anything you don't want. Seriously, guys, this isn't cool. You don't know how much this could affect. I mean, I want to fit in, but this doesn't feel right.
We shouldn't have to just with friends and doing the right thing. If they really care, they want pressure.
You know what? I'm out. I'm not doing this.
Whatever. We're all scared little kids anyway.
I'm leaving with Jordan.
I'm home.
Oh, Jordan, you seems off. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sort of. Some of my friends tried to get me to try drugs. It's really hard to say no.
I am proud of you for walking away. That takes courage. If ever you're stuck with that kind of scenario again, try to talk to me or your friends.
Gumawa si Jordan ng mayroong solusyon. Totoo peer pressure mula sa mga kaibigan at madalas magmumula sa mga taong mahalaga sa atin. Ngunit, ang tunay na lakas ay ang kaalaman sa iyong mga halaga at magtayo dito. Kung ikaw si Jordan, ano ang gagawin mo sa
Thank you.